Alright guys, welcome to another trading video guys. Today we went hunting and we caught profits. Hope you guys are doing well. It's a new month and we are looking forward to have a wonderful time in the market. Alright, you already know that I go by the name of King X because we trade the VIX market, and my strategy is very simple. It's very straightforward. It's not complicated. Took some time to get to this level, but the more time you spend in the market is the more you will get to understand the market. The next thing you have to understand is your edge, the strength and weakness of your strategy, and what time it works. So here guys, as I always say, you have to mark off your highs and your lows. As always, we are looking for the higher high. Now as you know, I always call these the negative high, right? Meaning that we're going into sell market. So we get a beautiful negative high here. It took out its own low and previous low, giving us the sell, right? So once you're in the sell market, what I use to determine that I'm in the sell market is I use these areas as ceiling. Knowing that you're under the ceiling, you know that you're in the sell territory right now. So as price came down, price came back up, and as price came back up, I was looking for this order block and this fair value gap right here. Guys, always remember your order block and fair value gap. So as price came down and price was going up, I saw price begin to respect this fair value gap buy and this order block sell right here. And that is what gave us this consolidation right here. But the consolidation began to give us some higher lows, and I thought that buyers was going to come in and push the market up. So when I saw price came here into my order block right here, I waited, and as you can see guys, I got my engulfing candle. But I didn't just enter there because I realized we're still in a range, right? We're still in this consolidation zone. Buyers and sellers are fighting to take the market in a direction, even though our strongest bias is the sell. So once I saw price break our train track right here and pull back, gave us this buy pullback, that's when I entered my sell. And I watched the market until it closed below this fair value gap and went down, right? Pull back and then continued. So this was my trade for today, for October, right? So we're in the second week, and just to show you guys that yes, I did take this trade, and I did, but we go and trade history, and I did make profit. As I told you guys, this is where I came out. As you can see how far I actually doubled my account using this strategy. It is very simple. It's a very straightforward strategy guys. We are not trying to make trading more difficult than it already is, right? As I told you, I thought the buy was going up, got my engulfing sell, break my trend line, gave me my bullet, my buy candle, entered here, and it sold off guys. So most person will ask, why don't we use indicator? As you already know, we do phone trading, and we do trade from our phone because it is, in my opinion, the best way if your strategy or your edge allows it. Some person's strategy and edge doesn't allow them to trade from their phone comfortably because they have to be relying on indicator, right? So if you make it this far in the video, I'm going to give you guys a little nugget, right? I'm going to give you the king's tip, right? So the king's tip when trading is price always try to use fair value gap if it break it, right? And return as resistance. As you can see here, it broke it and use it as resistance, and you can put your stop losses here, right? For me, I put my stop losses at the top up here, but price never came back up guys. And the next king's tip guys, right, is always take your profit. Do not be the guy who said he's gonna hold all his injuries, all his profit down to a certain area. Learn to take partial, because in the market anything can happen, guys. You do not want to spend hours waiting for your setup, because that's the next thing. As a trader, you have to do a lot of waiting, right? Your edge requires you to wait for a specific time, for a specific setup, and for a specific play, right? So as I said, guys, pretty forward, mark off your zone, right? Once you know which area you're in and where your bias is, then trading become easy. If you want to know this strategy, guys, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys want to trade with me in the morning, this is the VIX10. If you want to trade with me, you can let me know. If you want to learn the strategy, I'll be happy to show you guys, because I believe in sharing the profits. And enjoy your day. If you have any questions, I'm also on WhatsApp and I'm also on TikTok, where I also post my videos. So if you're interested in trading with me, guys, making daily profits, because I do believe we are not trading to come here to talk about indicators or to talk about market structure, but to make sure that we make withdrawals. I believe in the withdrawal. The king needs his money, and I do believe in withdrawals. So this was a beautiful trade that doubled my account, and that's just the beginning of the week. So let me know if this kind of trading style fits you. Easy, pretty straightforward, nothing complicated. And enjoy your day and happy hunting.